How to convert Ggives to CIMB Bank. Now, first things first, Ggives may not be available for everyone. You just have to ensure that Ggives is already been visible to your current Gcash balance. Now, if it is, it's just very simple in converting it. All you have to do is to log into your Gcash account using your 4-digit PIN, and then once your Ggives is already visible to your Gcash balance, that's the time that you can just easily transfer the current fund directly to CIMB. So say for example, you already have a visible balance on your Gcash account. Now once it is visible, all you have to do next is to click on the transfer to local bank icon on your Gcash dashboard, and then just simply find the CIMB Bank icon. And before doing this, ensure that your CIMB Bank has already been set up completely. Now just choose on the CIMB Bank option and then just input your CIMB Bank account number, your full name, and the specific amount that you will be transferring. And that's it. You will also receive a confirmation of all the transactions that you did. And that's how you easily convert Ggives to CIMB Bank.